Hello, and welcome to my channel, Learn Love Tutorials. Today, I will show you how to create thousands of videos or more in minutes using ChatGPT and Canva, just like this. If you don't have an account with ChatGPT and Canva yet, it's really easy to sign up. Let's get started. Let's go to ChatGPT. At the prompt, let's ask, give me 50 inspirational quotes with the author's name. Press enter. It's generating. Here are your 50 quotes with the author's name. Let's take a step further and have it in a table with 2 columns. At the prompt, put down. Put in a table with 2 columns. The first column is the content and the second column is the author's name. Press enter. It's generating. And here's your 50 quotes in a table with 2 columns, the content and author's name. Let's go over to Canva. In order to do this, you have to have Canva Pro. You can check out their prices, it's very reasonable. I am using Canva Pro to create thousands of these short videos. You have 2 options. At the search bar, you can search up short videos or you can click on the Create a Design. If you choose Create a Design, at the bottom, choose Custom Size. Click on Create New Design. Or you can search for inspirational short videos. Now you have a lot of options to choose from. Scroll down and see what you like. I'm going to choose this one. On the next window, click on Customize this template. Now delete everything that you don't need. Notice how long this video is. It's at 9 seconds. I'm going to change it to 6 seconds or change it up here. Once you have everything deleted, click on Text. Choose Add a Heading. Type in content and move it up to the position that you want. I'm going to add an outline by clicking on Effects. Choose Outline and change the color to black. Adjust the size to about 85 or so. It looks good, but you can play around with the number. If you want to change the font, then you can. I am going to leave it to Canva Sans. I am going to change the font size. You can change to any size that you like. This font size looks good. Next, this is important. Drag this out on both sides so that your text will remain within this purple lining. This looks good. Now I'm going to duplicate this. Click on the duplicate here, and this will be the author's name. And I am going to move it down here. And I am going to make it smaller. You can adjust however you like. I am going to leave it here. Now you have the content and the author. This looks good. Now go over to the left and look for apps, and we will be using Bulk Create. If you don't see it, you can search for it at the search bar. Click on Bulk Create. Click on Enter Data Manually. On this next window, we will scroll down and clear the table and press Done. Now let's go back to ChatGPT and copy this table with the 50 inspirational quotes. Go back to Canva and paste it here. Press Done. Now this is extremely important. You have to connect the data. See Connect Data here? Click on it and choose Content to connect to content. And go down here to connect the author's name to author's name. If you see the content and author in purple, that means you have done it correctly. Now click on Generate 50 Designs. It's generating. You now have 50 short videos. You can use this method to create thousands of short videos in minutes. Click on the 4 dots right here, the grid view, to see the full 50 videos. Go back. You have 50 videos with the same background. If you want a different background, it's easy to change it. Go to Element. Search for anything that you like, such as waterfall, beach, sunset, whatever you like. I am going to choose this one. Click on it. Here, right-click and go down to Replace Background. The new video will have a different time length, and you can adjust it to 6 seconds. Let's do another one. Choose another video, right-click, and choose Replace Background. You can use this same method to create thousands of videos. To save it, click Share. And it is important to choose Download Pages as separate files. Download. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. See you on our next videos.